Let's take a journey through time. Back to the origins of counting systems. Imagine early humans, tens of thousands of years ago, staring at a herd of animals. They needed a way to keep track. Was this group bigger than the last? That's where counting began. Tally marks carved into bones, Ishango bone from Central Africa, over 20,000 years old. These weren't numbers we use now, humans recording quantities, one scratch at a time. As societies grew, so did their needs. Agricultural communities needed to track harvests, livestock, trade. That's when more sophisticated systems appeared. Sumerians, around 4000 BCE, developed cuneiform numerals, impressing wedge-shaped marks into clay tablets. Their base 60 system, sexagesimal, is why we have 60 minutes in an hour and 360 degrees in a circle. Meanwhile, the Egyptians used a base 10 system, writing numbers with hieroglyphs. Their system was additive, symbols stacked together, not positional like ours. The real game changer came with the concept of zero and place value, pioneered by ancient Indian mathematicians. Place value means the position of a digit determines its value, a breakthrough that made calculations far more efficient. The Indian Arabic numeral system spread through the Islamic world into Europe, revolutionizing mathematics. But not all cultures counted the same way. The Mayans used a vigesimal or base 20 system, and the Chinese developed rod numerals for complex calculations. These diverse approaches show that counting is both a universal need and a cultural invention. So the next time you jot down a number, remember, you're part of a tradition stretching back millennia, one that transformed how humans understand their world. Numbers aren't just symbols, they're the language of civilization itself.